welcome to the 422 Business Show. I'm your host, Bill Haley, publisher of the 422 Business Advisor, and have a very interesting and exciting segment for you today. We're going to be talking about a new mobile app that is a mobile coupon. So for you viewers who want to save money, you're going to be very interested in what we have to say, and also for businesses that are looking to increase their customer base by offering discounts through mobile phones. You're going to want to watch what we have to say here today. And I'm with the co-founders of this new app called Tap and Save. Tap and Save, tapandsavelocal.com. I'm here with the co-founders, Brian Farrell and Pete Trevite. Guys, how you doing?
Good.
Doing
Thanks,
well.
Bill.
Very good.
Morning.
Very good. Okay, so the app Tap and Save. First of all, it's free to consumers, so you can go right to the iTunes store if you have an Apple phone. Or an iPhone, or you can go to Google Play if you have an Android device and download the app. It's called Tap and Save Local, correct, at the App Store.
Mm-hmm.
And as I said, it's a free app for consumers, so you just download it, tap, look for deals, and you're off and running. And if you're a merchant, you can download it there, obviously, as well, and you can sign up and start posting deals. And for a small monthly fee of $75 per month, you'll have the opportunity to post up to 5 deals at a time. And we're going to get into some of the benefits, some details of what goes on, but basically you can track your customers and they can come in and redeem your offers as they download them. So let's get started, guys, and first let's talk about really what is Tap and Save. It's basically it's a mobile first marketing solution, we would call that, correct, which enables your business to offer deals, coupons, special offers, correct, to local shoppers. And as you do that, you build a customer base, and you have the opportunity then to reach those customers through push notifications. Now, one thing I do want to add here that's very important is the whole key to this app is that it's local, correct?
Correct.
So that it's based on the GPS of your phone.
Right.
So when the users are looking for a deal in, say, dining or restaurants, and they're walking down the street in, say, Phoenixville or Pottstown, they would see the deals from that particular town come up first by the proximity to their cell phone, right?
Correct.
So that's kind of it in a nutshell. So let's talk a little bit about what we do to help customers, merchants, promote the app. Once they download it and post a deal, how do you get people to come and redeem it and make them aware of it, correct? So one of the ways is, obviously, viewers of this phone will know about the app, but each merchant that posts deals will also have some support from us. Let's talk a little bit about that.
Sure, yeah. Pete and I will be happy to help the merchants find offers that make sense to their business, help them load those offers onto the platform, and kind of take advantage of all the unique tools that are out there. We do have some support, some visual materials that they can use in their stores. So we have a tent card for restaurants and other merchants that serve food and dining establishments.
Sure.
And then we also have a handout, basically replicating the tent card that merchants can either put in a shopping bag, attached to a box, or a package that they can take with them. And so the idea is to kind of get their customers using the platform, downloading the app, and expecting offers to come so that they can continue to patronize that business. And then as each additional business comes onto the platform, they're going to be doing the same, and then those customers then can grow exponentially. So you can patronize one business, you may see another offer and want to continue with that one, all supporting your local community, all supporting small businesses.
Right, and that's really the really cool thing about this, I think, is that apps are the big thing now. Every business, and particularly the large retailers and the food stores, they all have their own app. Wawa has its own app, blah, blah, blah.
Right.
But who's going to have 1 million apps on their phone just to go to that particular merchant? So the good thing about this app is that it really applies to any type of business anywhere. And for every business that uploads offers and starts getting their customers to use the app, well, everybody else is doing the same thing, so they all become your potential customers as well, correct? So
yeah, and I think if you look at this as a community solution, right? So their existing customers become the best way to promote their business, right? And one part of this is sharing offers via social media, Facebook and Twitter. So promoting this to their existing customer base is really key initially. They build a list of these customers that are going to eventually get push notifications every time a new offer is released.
Right.
You know, that's really key for them. And then, you know, so with this promotion, with social media exposure, and the local GPS nature of it, it really becomes a great community solution. And like you said, I don't, as a consumer, want to have 50 apps for every single local business. This becomes an extremely affordable and effective solution for each business owner that they all use together and they all benefit. Plus all of the promotion that you're doing through 422 Business
Correct.
magazine, that really helps too, and the existing relationships that you have will really expand the distribution and exposure for it.
Right, so it's going to grow organically, and the potential customer base will just continue to grow and grow.
Right.
And as you mentioned, each merchant will, of course, encourage their customers to download the app for future deals, right? And they'll have 10 cards, they'll have handouts. But there's other ways we can also help them build that customer base and get the word out and get more people to download the app. And for instance, if they keep an email list of customers, we can do an email blast
Right,
to all
great.
their customers, encouraging them to download the app.
So what ends up happening is this becomes a great distribution vehicle for that business owner, right? So it ends up replacing or complementing their email promotions,
Sure.
their push note or the text-based solutions. This becomes a much more effective solution where they build up 500, 1,000, 2,000 customers that now are getting notifications every time they have a new offer. So they want to start off with just a couple of new customers, then it's going to start to build. And then as every business starts to build their customer base, notifications are going out to literally thousands of people locally
Right.
that are coming to Tap and Save and seeing all of the offers.
Right.
Not just theirs, but you know, all of the participating businesses, and that's why, or how every business will benefit from participation.
Right, and the more businesses who sign up, the larger the customer base becomes for everybody, the more useful the app becomes to the user.
Right.
Okay, I'm going to circle back to something you mentioned earlier about affordable, and I think that's a good point because you know, restaurants can literally spend hundreds of dollars per month on Yelp, you know, or on printing coupons,
Right.
and coupon distribution. This is much more cost effective than that, let's say, right? Much more affordable. And the good thing is they can track their results, right? Everything is done from their phone, so they know if somebody's accepting an offer, how many people have accepted it, and they can really kind of keep track of how well the app is working for them.
Yeah, absolutely. We designed it to be mobile first, so there's no need to go to your desktop or your laptop computer. The merchant can actually go on their phone, if it's slow in between shifts, create a new offer, push it out, and it automatically goes out to everyone that has the app, and anyone that's patronized that business before gets a notification. You can't do it that quickly with print. You can't do it that quickly with any type of coupon mailer. So it's really, really effective. So it can help in cases where there's excess capacity. It's a slow on a Tuesday and you want more people to come in, you can push out an offer. If you bought too much inventory of a product, you can do that in the same way. So you can take advantage of the natural shifts in your business and leverage the power of the community, like Pete said, to really maximize your results.
And it really puts the merchant in control in real time.
Absolutely.
And they can change on the fly and of course track everything, and of course it's really very cost effective. I mean, now the merchant would simply put this on their credit card and it would be a monthly credit card
Right.
fee as they go, right? Very simple, easy to use. And as I said, the merchant can really track their results and see that it's working for them.
Mm-hmm.
And you know, here we are in September of 2015 as we launch this. And initially, I'm sure there's going to be some great deals that we're going to be offering merchants, and probably, you know, initially give it to them for a 30-day or 60-day period for free to get it rolling, to get their customers using the app and to build it up so that they can really see the effectiveness. So it's really kind of a you can't lose proposition for merchants, right?
Absolutely.
You can't lose. If you're trying to attract more customers to your local business, if you want to attract more customers from your community and then encourage repeat business, Tap and Save is the way to go. You can't beat it for the price, and you can't beat it for the efficiency that a mobile phone offers. People always have it with them.
And I think nowadays business owners recognize the power of mobile and the number of their customers that have smartphones. right? So we're disrupting the traditional method of distributing these coupons, which is designing an ad, printing it, sending it in the mail. We now can do it instantly with, to a mobile phone. It's much more efficient. It's much more cost effective. So you're looking at a cost of under $1,000 a year, $75 a month, compared to maybe $300 a month to the old traditional way. Right. So this is the future of marketing. Everything's moving towards mobile. And this becomes, like you said, you can track everything. There's no more printed coupons being handed in and put in the register. Everything is tracked. Full reporting goes to the business owner. And they can even get all of their staff using it too, to manage it, to use it for promotion via social media. Their staff can do that too. So it's much more complete package, and it's less money.
Significantly less money, and probably in terms of the return on investment, I think it's also going to be a no-brainer. And let's just take one category of restaurants and dining. Sure, lots of restaurants offer coupons, and of course lots of restaurants use Yelp.
Right.
And I'm not sure the exact number, but isn't it true that most restaurants really bring in less than half of what they're putting out for Yelp and some of these other
it's probably true,
websites?
and because with Yelp you're dealing with ratings and a fickle consumer, and you don't know if it's your competitor leaving a bad rating or not. And with Tap and Save, it really is just a great offer to your regular customers, and it's a great offer for anybody else that's using the platform that's looking for a place to dine. And then the merchant then can capture information. Unlike with a printed coupon, I hand it to you. You don't know who I am. You never know how to get in touch with me. With Tap and Save, it's right there on the app. As a merchant, you can see it in your panel. And then each time you put a new offer, I'm going to get a push notification. So may not be me every day coming to your restaurant, but there could be a time when an offer comes out where I say, you know what, it's time to go down there again and take advantage of things that are on the platform.
Right. And lots of people, of course, like to save money, right? But also a very cool feature, which we talked about earlier, is you can share that offer with your friends through Facebook and Twitter, LinkedIn probably too. I'm not sure. But that helps to organically grow the base of customers for the merchants as well, right?
Absolutely, and that's what we found is it's very easy to get that offer. It's very easy to redeem it. Everyone always has their phone with them, right? So they don't need to print out a coupon or cut out a coupon. And then the sharing feature, everybody, hey, I just got a great deal at such and such restaurant or at the hardware store, and there's so many different business categories that this becomes viable for. And it's so effective. It's much more affordable, and I think what a business owner will see when he or she looks at the features, that it's so much less expensive than the competing products that are out there now that are traditional. Right. So I think it's something that they really will consider and use and get results from.
What's more, when you're sharing, you're not sharing the offers that you're getting from big giant stores. There's a movement afoot to support community, to support small businesses, and you're more inclined to tell your friends on Facebook who are in your community, your close network, that yes, I just patronized this business and I got a great offer from doing it, and here's how you can get it as well. So it's going to foster some repeat business and some visibility for that merchant as well on their consumer social networks too, at no additional charge.
Sure, sure. And the really, once again, the really great thing about this is it is GPS based, so just by its very nature, it's encouraging by local. Small business, which is a great thing for certainly businesses on the 422 corridor, but everywhere. All right, well, we're just about out of time, guys, and it's been really great talking to you. So let's remind our viewers one more time how they download this app.
So you can go to, if you have an Apple phone, you can go to the Apple Store, the App Store, and download Tap and Save Local. If you have an Android device, you can go to the Google Play Store and download Tap and Save Local in the Google Play Store. Or you can go to our website, tapandsavelocal.com. The icons are there for both stores. You can download it, grab it on your phone, and start saving locally.
Great. And if any businesses out there would like to call to talk to somebody, we're going to give you a phone number, 610-324-0658. And that's my number, Bill Haley. You'll reach me directly, and I can certainly answer all your questions, and we can get you set up in a matter of seconds to start posting offers and making some money for your business. Thanks again for watching, and go ahead right now and download tapandsavelocal.com to start saving money and to start earning money for your business. Thanks again for watching.